There are a ton of ads about solar. Between that and the door-to-door sellers, there's a lot of misleading information. So what is the truth about solar? You're about to find out. Hi, I'm Tom with Premier Roof Solar. I've been helping homeowners save money with renewable energy for the last 5 years. In this video, I'll be separating fact from fiction when it comes to solar. There are so many online ads out there about solar that take a few grains of truth and turn it into one big lie. The sad thing is that for most people it will make sense and it will save them a lot of money, so it's completely unnecessary to make stuff up. On that note, let's start with some fiction.
You have a power meter that looks like this.
Meter like this on the
opportunity to get paid.
Get paid to go solar.
A new government-sponsored program.
New clean energy program. You don't have to pay anything for
solar panels at no cost to you.
Absolutely no net cost.
At no net cost.
At no cost to you. It costs nothing to get the solar.
Solar companies in the US are trying everything to keep this away from the public.
And even paying a few $1,000s.
Get a check for $2,000.
$2,500 in tax credits.
Make this meter run backwards.
I see the meter spinning backwards.
And your power meter will run backwards, so you never have to pay it again.
And you'll never have to make a utility bill payment again.
You would never have to pay for electricity ever again.
If you're watching this, chances are you've seen most, if not all of those, plus the solar online calculators, which I'll cover in a different video. For now, let's get to the facts. All of those ads are mixing up a bunch of incentives, payment plans, credit systems, and different programs that just don't go together. Some of those incentives are expired or completely irrelevant for your area, but the online lead generators don't concern themselves with that. What do I mean? Most of these ads are made by online marketing agencies, like really cheap, bad online marketing agencies that sell the leads to solar companies. They don't actually know much about the incentives, how they change depending on the city or the state that you're in, the payment plans, the billing systems for the different utility companies, or really, they don't really know much about solar in general.
I don't know anything. I don't know anything about anything.
And that's just for starters. When it comes to door-to-door sellers, most of them haven't been in the business for more than a year. So they don't know that much. There's so many different payment plans, billing methods with utilities, pieces of equipment, and so on. So if they haven't been in the business for that long, they inevitably give out bad information without even knowing it. Door-to-door is tough. Most people quit in less than a year and then new people come in.
Who are these people?
Or people start taking shortcuts and explaining things so they can get some signings. The truth is you can save tens of thousands of dollars with solar. Most people do. You can get solar with no money out of pocket. That does not mean free. There is no such thing as a free lunch. There are government incentives, and it's rarely in the form of direct cash in your pocket. You do get paid for the electricity that you produce, but it's in the form of bill credits. Some utilities may give you a check. I'll cover all those details in a different video. So there are a bunch of incentives. Solar does pay off in the short term, in the long term definitely for most people, and it's just about doing it the right way. I will have more videos coming out detailing what I just talked about, so remember to like and subscribe. If you are looking into solar in Southern California, you can click the link below, get a solar cheat sheet, learn more about solar, or you can give us a call directly.